That is awesome.
Oh shit. Make sure everything's all powered on.
Clear.
All right.
All right, man.
Let me get her closed up.
You know how many people have been talking about this thing?
Oh, dude, you're definitely gonna be headlining it. You go on their Facebook, then I guarantee you're gonna fucking be all over the map there. Seriously. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, you got that motherfucker sideways, bro! Get it, bumper nickel! Hell yeah! Yeah, 3. Bro, you making my heart go pitter patter.
Ah, it's all good.
I love it. Metal Lid's out there waiting to record you. Ain't nobody got no nice car like this. Woo, sucker. Bro, you ain't no joke, man.
It's all the power she's got, man. She's to the wood.
Last lap.
He gave me the white twice.
This is awesome.
Hell yeah.
This is your last corner, baby.
White flag again. Sure, we'll give her one more.
Fuck it.
See what the high line's like.
Oh, he got the checkered flag in his head this time. Oh, he's taking the outside. There's that big old dip right here. Yeah, checker.